Hey friends, welcome back to She's At It Again. And today I need to make more chili powder because my bottle's almost empty. Fancy bottle, huh? So I make my own, and you're probably thinking, don't they sell that in stores? Well, they do. But if you'll recall, on several videos I've talked about a family member having Crohn's disease, and we had to get completely away from any kind of grain in their diet. So what I found out was, even though this person loves chili, I had to resort to something other than chili powder. Now, this is what I normally bought for chili powder. Now, I'm not talking about chili mix. Chili powder is just the basic spice mix for making chili mix. But on the ingredient label here, it says that one of the ingredients is organic rice concentrate used as a flow agent. So it just keeps it from clumping together and not being able to pour out easily. But rice, obviously, is a grain, so not using that. So I had to come up with a recipe for making my own. Now, their recipe, it wasn't like I made it up. This is a recipe that I found online, but it's a really good one, and I wanted to share it with you. So if you run out of chili powder and don't have access to buying any more right then, or you have a family member that is grain-free or somebody that's grain-free and you need to make pure chili powder, then stay tuned and I'll show you how to do that. And it's super quick. So we just have a few spices here, one being garlic powder. We'll start out with a tablespoon of garlic powder. We need 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder. Four teaspoons of dried oregano. So that would be 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. I'll just do that for expediency's sake, because 3 teaspoons is a tablespoon. Now this calls for 4 tablespoons of paprika, but what I've also learned is I can use half Ancho Chili and half paprika, and it has a phenomenal flavor. So 2 tablespoons of Ancho Chili. And these are just spices that you can find at your bulk. Usually a natural food store. I go to a place called Good Measure here in our town. Fabulous family that owns it. We also have a natural food store, and fabulous people own that as well. So I have 2 choices here in my town. So 2 tablespoons of paprika added to that. But in their bulk section, you'll just go over and you can get as little as you want or as much as you want and package it up yourself, and it's usually a lot fresher than what you can get in a store. So 4 tablespoons of that mixture, and then a tablespoon of ground cumin. And the heat part is up to you. We need 1/2 to a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That's where a little bit of heat's going to come in, and it's not super spicy, so you're not going to feel the heat in that. So I'll put close to a teaspoon of cayenne. And that is our complete mixture for our chili powder. Now I'll just transfer it over to this, and this is what's considered specific carbohydrate diet legal chili powder. So if you need to mix up some of your own, now you have the recipe. The recipe is also in the description. And thanks for joining us. And we look forward to sharing something again with you real soon. Bye, guys. Whoopsie.